Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are taking a relaxing bus ride from IGMH Hospital in Male to Hulumale Phase 2. So this is one of the most affordable and convenient ways to travel between these two islands. So we're gonna see some of the best ocean views, cityscapes and local life in the Maldives. If you're visiting the Maldives for the first time, this bus route is a great way to explore beyond the capital city. So join me as we're going to take this journey across the Sinimale Bridge through the airport island Hulu and into the fast growing modern city of Hulumale. So let's go. So we started our journey at Indira Gandhi Memorial Hospital, which is also called as IGMH, the largest government hospital in the Maldives. It's located in the heart of Male. And this area is always buzzing with activities. You will see taxis, motorcycles moving in every direction. Male is one of the smallest yet most densely populated capital cities in the world. Male is the primary urban center where you will find a blend of traditional Maldivian culture and modern urban life, and all within a small island space. So, this city has a unique charm categorized by its narrow streets, colorful buildings, and lively atmosphere. It offers visitors an authentic Maldivian experience while also serving as a gateway to the country's stunning resorts and islands and the city life. It also offers beautiful views of the surrounding Indian Ocean. The city is surrounded by stunning blue waters, providing breathtaking with that shows just how close the city is into the incredible natural beauty of the Maldives. Male is the perfect starting point for all the travelers heading to the country's famous resorts and islands. So, which is all known for their white sandy beaches and blue water and luxurious accommodation. So now look at this incredible wave on the other side where you can see the endless blue water of the Indian Ocean. And if you're lucky, as you can see, the few boats, and there are the chances that where even you can see a seaplane taking off nearby. So this is one of the most scenic drives in the Maldives. So the city is also known for its vibrant local markets and street foods. Visitors can explore the busy fish markets where they can see the fresh catches fishes are sold daily, or can visit the local produce markets offering a variety of fruits and vegetables. The markets provides a wonderful opportunity to experience the daily life of Maldivians where locals gather to shop and socialize. The city's restaurant serves up traditional Maldivian dishes including fish curry, masuni, a traditional breakfast dish made from tuna, coconut and flatbread, and delicious tropical fruits like papaya and mango. Street food stalls can be found offering quick and tasty snacks that represent the authentic flavors of the Maldives. So for those looking to relax or escape to the bustle of the city, Male offers a range of parks and beaches where residents and tourists alike unwind and enjoy the beautiful tropical environment. Artificial lagoons have also been created in some parts of the city, adding to the charm and offering scene spots to take in the surrounding nature. So these spots make Male a unique blend of urban living surrounded by the natural beauty of the Maldives is are famous for. Male itself holds a certain charm for those who wish to experience the Maldives beyond the luxury vacation spots. It is a city that represents the modern face of the Maldives while still maintaining deep ties to its history, culture, and traditions. Our way out of Male, we are about to cross the Sinimale Bridge, which is also known as China Maldives Friendship Bridge. This bridge, which opened in 2018, was a major infrastructure project that changed daily life for thousands of Maldivians. Before this, the only way to travel between Male and Hulumale was by ferry, and the bridge connects three key islands, that is Male, Huluhule, the airport island, and Hulumale, making transport much faster and easier. As I said earlier, now look at this incredible view on the both sides. You can see the endless blue waters of the Indian Ocean. As I said, there are, as I said, like if you are lucky, you might spot a few boats and a seaplane often off taking nearby the airport. So we are heading towards the airport. It's Velina International Airport. Is one of the busiest and largest airport in the Maldives, handling both international and domestic flights with over 2 million passengers passing throughout the each year. For those heading to the famous resort islands, Velina International also connects you to the domestic flights and seaplane transport that take you directly to the resorts, sometimes in just a few minutes. And if you're looking to do a little shopping before you head to any of the resorts in Maldives and you're lucky, the airport has a variety of duty-free shops where you can grab luxury items and Maldivian products. And there are also plenty of cafes and restaurants where you can grab a bite or to eat or to enjoy a refreshing drinks before you heading to your next destination. One of the coolest parts of your Maldives trip is definitely the seaplane transfer. The seaplane take off right from the airport, giving you an incredible bird eye view of the Maldives, stunning blue water and island resort. It is a perfect way to begin your vacation with the good views that will blow your way. Now we are arriving at Huluhule Island, home to Velina International Airport, the main gateway to the Maldives. If you have ever flown into the Maldives, this is where your plane would have landed. On the right side, you will see the airport running, stressing out into the ocean. This airport serves almost like millions of tourists every year, welcoming visitors from all over the world. If you watch closely, you might also see the seaplanes often landing. It's an amazing sight, especially because the plane seems so close to the water. If you find yourself with some downtime at the airport, you can relax in one of the premium lounges where you can kick back in comfort with snacks, drinks, and free Wi Fi. Some of the lounges even offer stunning views of the runway and surrounding ocean, making your wait much more enjoyable. So, for those heading to Male or nearby island, there are also convenient options for transportation, including water taxis that can take you directly to Male in just 10 minutes. It's a quick and easy way to get to the capital, and the view of the airport from the water is absolutely stunning point. To our left, you will see a cluster of government buildings, airport facilities, and various service areas that are essential to the smooth operation of Velina International Airport. This island isn't residential, so it doesn't have local communities living here. Instead, the people you will mostly encounter are airport staffs and like including security, ground crews, and customer service personnel, along with travelers who are either arriving in the Maldives or just passing through on their way to the nearby island of Hulumale, Phase 1 and Phase 2. Hulumale, a rapidly developing area, is just a short boat ride away and is home to many of the workers who support the infrastructure of the airport and surrounding islands. The island of Hulu itself primarily serves as a transit point with most of its activity revolving around the airport and its transport links to the rest of the country. So now we are entering Hulumale, Phase 1, the newest part of the city. For families, Hulumale Phase 1 is a great place to live because of the family friendly amenities. There are schools, clinics, parks, and recreational areas that make it an ideal environment for raising children. The Central Park, located in the heart of the Phase 1, is one of the area's most beloved features. It is a large, beautifully landscaped park that offers green space for families to gather, for joggers to run, and children to play. With its walking paths, open lawns, and outdoor fitness equipments, it is a perfect escape for the hustles and bustles of urban life. Overall, Hulumale Phase 1 is an highly developed place, well planned areas that offers a quality living experience in the heart of the Maldives. It's a perfect place for those looking for a mix of urban living and a relaxed island lifestyle with each every easy access to amenities, green spaces, and growing scenes of community. Whether you're a family, a young professional, or a retired person, Phase 1 provides a fantastic environment to call home. As you notice that the roads here are extra wide and there is a lot of ongoing constructions happening here in Phase 1. So this is the center of the place in Holomale Phase 1, which is heading towards to the Central Park, which is also a famous location here in Holomale Phase 1. As we continue along, you will notice that Hulumale is not just for a residential area, it is also becoming a tourist hub. Many budget travelers and backpackers prefer staying here instead of expensive resorts because it offers a more local experience while still being close to the airport and Male. So now we are entering towards this central park. It's a community hub offering a peaceful environment to relax and unwind. And it is a focal point for many of the neighborhood's events and activities. Over time, this park is expected to expand with even more facilities such as additional picnic areas, outdoor theaters, and cultural spaces, making it an even more integral part of community life in Hulumale Phase 1. While Hulumale Phase 1 isn't famous for its beaches, has also had some of the most uh, remote resort islands, Phase 1 still has some truly lovely beach areas. The Hulumale beach, with its soft sand and clear blue water, it is perfect place to spend a few hours basking in the sun or taking a swim. The beach area is designed for both locals and visitors to relax and unwind, and there's a plenty of space to take a walk along the shore, enjoy the cool breeze, or simply watch the stunning Maldivian sunset. It is ideal spot to visit if you're looking for a peaceful break right in the city in the evening. Now we are entering towards the Hulumale Phase 2, the newest part of the city. This area is still under development, but in future it expected to be a major commercial and residential hub. And the beaches here in Hulmale are also quite family friendly. The waters are calm and shallow, making them a great place for kids to play and for families to enjoy a day out. As a bonus, there are shaded areas where you can relax and have a picnic while listening to the sound of the waves. It's a fantastic place to enjoy a day at the beach without having to travel far from the city center. As we drive through this area, you will see that it's still under construction. But as I said earlier, the future of this part of the Holomale is incredibly promising. So, phase two is set to be a major commercial, residential, and industrial hub with ambitious plans laid out by the Maldivian government to create a modern, well integrated urban environment. Unlike phase one, which is more residential, phase two is designed to be beating heart of Hulumale's commercial activities. So, Hulumale Phase 2 is vibrant, 24 hours active city that offers everything to the residents and visitors need around the clock. The area is equipped with medical facilities including clinics and hospitals providing healthcare services at all the time. For those who love a good cup of coffee, there are cafes open throughout the day and night, perfect for relaxation or socializing. A variety of restaurants serve delicious meals, catering to all the tastes and preferences. So here, additionally, schools are available for families, ensuring that education needs are met in this growing urban hub. And that brings us to the end of our bus journey from Male to Hulmale Phase 2. I hope you all enjoyed this ride and got a better understanding of how life and travel work in this part of the Maldives. So from the if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Cook Eat Travel with Sarah for more travel and food adventures.